Magic 89.9.
Let's give it up for you. You're listening to Night Live with Magic 89.9. Hey, you guys! Hoy, isang lungga nyo tinago tong bandang to. Ba't ngayon lang tayo nagkita?
It's been a long time.
I know!
Importante nagkita tayo.
Oo nga eh. Mag-host ako, naging audience member. parang noong una madali eh. Pinahirapan mo kami bandang huli. Oo nga eh. Thank you so much for coming, you guys. And I have so many questions.
Yeah.
But before that, how about you guys introduce yourselves?
Yeah, my name is Erica. I am the guitarist, ukuleleist, and vocalist of Yoon.
PK on bass.
And
James on drums.
All right. Thank you so much. Welcome to Night Live on Magic 89.9. I'm Isabel, and I have a bajillion questions.
Okay.
Starting with the wings and the mighty, powerful, tiny guitar.
yeah.
Right?
Right, okay.
When I saw it, I was like, oh, that's adorable. And then I sat inside, and then somebody was playing a riff. So sabi ko, wait lang, bass, ukulele, drums. Sino yung tao? So, okay, tell me the story here. The wings, the tiny guitar, go ahead.
Okay. First, yung wings, gusto ko lang kasi na maging whimsical. So,
Because the white hair was not
Actually,
enough.
may nakita ako sa reels before na naka-wings siya and then we'll buy groceries.
Right?
So,
Sorry.
yung
I'm blocking James over here.
Okay.
We had a different James a while ago.
Yeah.
Baka ikaw rin yun.
Nag-change costume lang siya.
Oo, mababuhok.
So, yun. Sabi ko, I want to be whimsical like her. So, binila niya ako ng wings. And then, that became the fairy thing when I'm
Right.
performing on stage. And then, sa ukulele naman, because my fingers are too small, unfortunately, hindi ko maabot yung fret ng guitar. So,
Okay.
nag-ukulele ako. We used to be a 5-piece band, but since mahirap magtugma-tugma yung schedule if there's a lot of
Yeah.
you have a lot of members in the band. So we decided to go for 3-piece. And I learned ukulele last year lang.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
How long have you been playing the bass?
Since childhood.
Since
Since
childhood?
birth.
Tapos natalo tayo nang nag-ukulele last year lang.
Hindi, guitar ako dati.
Girl,
Pero
yeah, siya
same lang
yung
din naman, pares lang strings.
Right?
Yeah, siya yung guitarista namin before.
Oh,
So, bass na lang siya since.
Ako dati yung bass. Dito ako.
Ikaw dati yung
Siya
visual.
yung vocalista
no?
dati. Siya yung vocalista.
Oh my gosh. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
I have a good teacher kasi.
Oh. Kasi visual ka lang dito eh. Okay. Oh, taga-tawa lang eh, di ba? Okay, so let's start with your style of music. Where did this style of music come from? Because it is it's like boogie, rock, blues, but also very fresh, very new. So how did that start for you guys?
I think si PK kasi yung mind ng band namin. So he said he wanted to explore with blues. So nag-start kami as yun, na tunog rock and roll blues talaga. Nung siya pa yung gitarista namin and 5-piece band pa kami. And then, it was just a project band. And then we said, uy, ayos kasi bagay sa grit ng voice ko
Yeah.
na I didn't know I had.
Right.
Tapos, we bring it back to the generation now na mellow, di ba? Medyo soft yung music na nagtitrend ngayon. So, we want to bring the rock and roll and then like include fresh styles ng generation ngayon so that they can, paano ba? They can also enjoy it
Yeah.
na hindi sila maboboard because it's too old school.
Yeah.
Too old
school. No. Huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi. Huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi. Para sa'yo, hindi. But yeah, that is true. Now that you say it, music now kind of has a softer tone to it. But bring back the raspy rock, right?
Right,
For
right.
sure. And ang ganda, I'm so sorry, but you don't look like somebody who'd go for a raspy rock with your whimsical vibe. I thought na bubulong-bulong ka rin sa mic, but wow! Oh, bakit? Parang,
Tama. Actually, madami nga nagsasabi pagka sa mga gig namin, they always say na, oh, akala ko hindi rock and roll yung tunog nyo.
I thought it'd be slow, right? And then she brings out the glitter, the wings, and the mighty powerful tiny guitar. I must say, it is Amazing.
Thank
right?
you.
And last year lang, you have an unreleased song that you played for us, and you play this during gigs.
Yes.
Lila? Lala?
Lila.
Lila.
Lila, yep.
Okay, so how did this song come about, and how long was the process in making this one?
So, ang songwriter namin talaga is si PK. And then he,
Beauty and Brains.
he,
My job.
Bayad
creates,
lang po kasi.
he creates a demo and then papakinggan namin dalawa ni James. And then we're going to jam it. Pero I think it's better if it's gonna come from you kasi ikaw yung nagsulat eh. Ano yung process niya?
Yeah.
What's your process?
Hindi ko alam yung process ko.
Your
More on,
songwriting.
sinusulat ko lang kung anong gusto naming gawin. Ganon. So, etong Lila about to sa taong parang martyr, ganyan. So, yun yung gusto namin gawing materials. Nag-explore kami. Actually, kumukuha rin ako ng idea sa kanilang lahat. Parang gawa tayo ng song about sa ito yung subject natin. So, ako lang yung
Nagme-meld together
Yes! Thank
ng
you for
ideas.
helping me.
Of course. Trabaho lang.
Yeah.
But
Ano ba yung
also,
napanood natin? Don't love, ano ba yun?
Don't job the love.
Don't love your job the love.
you know what? I had just watched that reel a while ago. Tawa na sabi ko, ano daw, te? Ano daw?
Ano daw? Pero nagbe-make sense
Yeah,
eh, di ba?
Yeah, but you
When
have
you
to
think
really
about it.
think about it
Yeah.
though, right?
What does
Okay,
it mean?
so what was some of the weirder ideas that you've gotten for songwriting? Parang what was the weirdest thing you got an idea from?
Actually, may mga songs kami na medyo, dark. As in dark.
How dark we talking?
Like,
I would say yung
like, pikit
nighttime.
ka. Ganun.
Ganun ka dark.
Ganun siya.
feeling ko yung Labis. Meron kasi kami
Labis,
isang
oh,
song na Labis. And whenever he makes a song, I always imagine kung ano yung POV nung singer.
Right.
So sa Labis, I always imagine na para siyang nababaliw na sa pag-ibig. Kasi ang chorus nun is, labis kitang mahal. Tapos yung outro niya is, love me, please lang mahal. Yeah, labis kitang mahal. Tas parang hindi niya kaya, na to the point na, sige kung iiwanan mo ko, okay lang. Pero love me, please lang mahal. Yeah. So
Choose
listen
me,
to,
pick me.
Yeah,
love
yun.
me. Oh my God.
that's labis.
That's
Bakit parang
lovely.
nakaka-relate ka doon?
Hindi naman. Masaya ako. Happily taken. Mahirap na
Love
baka
it for
marinig
you.
niya to. Baka, di ba? Hirap na. Love you nga pala, pre. Okay, but you guys were a 5-piece band, now a 3-piece band. Did you always think na banda yung magiging ending ng journey nyo towards this? Was it always band or was it always music?
Yes.
Yes.
For me, yes. Kasi ilang beses ko na rin inisip na mag-quit na lang and then continue with my day job na lang. Pero hindi. Iba kasi yung tawag ng music and nung art of performing. So, I'm always drawn to being on stage, being in front of a lot of people to entertain them. So, it's something na I would call a calling that I
For sure.
cannot easily
Turn down.
turn down,
Yeah.
talikuran. So it's always going to be music for me. How about you guys?
Kaya pasikatin nyo na kami.
Ayan.
Para maging tuloy-tuloy talaga, pasikatin nyo na kami. Please lang.
Huwag niyo na kami gatekeep.
Totoo, ganun talaga. Alam mo, for me, yung music talaga is calling eh. Alam mo yung parang hindi ka naligo ng gabi, tapos init na init ka na parang irita ka. Ganun yung music sa akin pag di kami
ganun.
nakatugtog. Hindi
Okay,
ka
oo,
nakaka-relate
yeah,
doon
yeah.
sa part na yun.
So I had to think about it.
Bigyan
Sabi
ka
ko,
namin ng time.
hindi ko na, hindi ka naligaw. Okay. Yeah. Parang it's like this very strong urge na kailangan gawin
Yeah.
talaga.
Tsaka marami ng scenario sa buhay namin na talagang pag gusto namin mag-quit, biglang parang nagkakaroon ng redirection na, hindi ka pwede mag-quit ah.
Oops, wait
Right.
lang.
Pag nag-quit, nasa trabaho lang. Minsan, no? Passion
Ano lang,
na.
balance lang. Kailangan may balance.
Yeah,
Yes.
for sure. Also, I wanna ask, the band name, where did that come from? Yun.
Yun. So, nung nagsimula nga tong project band na yun, we were thinking tunog kalye, di ba? So, we were going for a Filipino expression na yun. Kasi we want people to say na, galing nung banda na yun. Sino yun? Sino yun? Yun. Hindi, yun nga. Sino nga sila? Yun nga. Yun na yun. And it's a very common Filipino expression kasi
Yeah.
when you say yun, di ba? Parang yun, it's either you're impressed
You know.
na, you know, ganon.
So, nantitrip ka lang
Oo nga.
It's easy to remember as well.
It is easy to remember, but I also was wondering, sabi ko, saan kaya galing yung name nila na yun? Because also your bio on Instagram is yun, no?
You
Parang
know.
ganun. And it
Yes.
does make sense. And it is also very Filipino, and also with you guys' sound. Kasi the way you write your music and the way your music sounds, it's very, it transcends.
Yes.
It
Love
transcends generations of music as well, which is very exciting, which makes me also very excited for you guys' EP.
Yes.
This is the first EP, am I right?
Yes, it's going to be our first EP kasi previously we only released singles.
Yeah, singles
And-
every now and then na parang umaano lang na bulkan, lumalabas.
So we're trying to challenge ourselves na to record an EP and then who knows, it's gonna be followed by an album.
Yeah.
And then tuloy-tuloy na. Kasi when you're an artist, yun lang yung way mo eh. To express yourself, to express your artistry. So we're challenging ourselves to do an EP. Kasi ngayon, especially sa generation ngayon, yung attention span ng tao.
Yeah, for sure.
Maiksi lang. So we're trying to challenge ourselves to make an EP and then let's see how it goes.
How far are we in the making of the EP?
25%.
Hanggang
2 songs na lang
two songs na lang.
Yeah, this is
Ooh.
Kasi
We're
we're
very
planning
close to the end of the EP. What can we expect for the sound and the vibe of the EP? Is it same as your sound right now and your music right now?
I would say it's a bit different from, pero meron pa rin siyang grit ng rock and roll, but with the the tune of the generation now. So we tried to incorporate it with the rock and roll that we're on the path now, and then just adding flavor to it. Ano ba? What do we expect? What do people should expect?
Kung ikukumpara sa ulam, yung EP, the sound of the EP, anong ulam ito?
Favorite ko syempre kare-kare. So, para siyang kare-kare.
Parang kare-kare. Sa'yo,
Papaitan.
papaitan.
Ako dinakdakan.
Lalo tuloy
Tinakdakan.
gumulo.
Wow. Parang padurog ng padurog yung ulam, ah. Pero okay. But we are very excited and we love you guys' sound. We expect so much more. 2 songs, ah. Usapan, 2 songs.
Yes.
2 songs na lang ang kulang sa EP.
Yes. Which is
Saka
love.
Invite nyo kami.
Kagwa na, umalis nga yung nagdala. Okay, thank you so much, you guys. We loved having
Thank
you
you so
here.
much.
Let the listeners know where to find you, any gigs coming up as well.
Okay, so this coming Friday, it's Labor Day, we have a gig. Please do come kasi it's also gonna be our music video shoot for Ayokong Mag-asawa. That's this May 1 sa Parañaque. Tama ba ako? Parañaque. Yep. So, follow us sa social media at Sila Na Yun. And we're gonna post all details there. And, ayun. One more thing. I think yung EP na ilalabas namin would be our identity as a 3-piece. Kasi it's stripped off with a lot of, like yung guitars and also very simple. But I promise you, you will enjoy it. So look out for it.
Yay! Thank you so much, you guys. Loved having you here. Do stream their music and wait for their EP to come out. Follow them as well on all of their socials. Once again, this is the band Yoon. You're listening to Night Live on today's Best Music, Your Magic 89.9.
Thank you!
Magic 89.9.